AOMEI, Centralized Backupper. Work well with Windows 11, Windows Server 2022. Why is centralized backup software necessary? Safeguard all of your important business data. System, product codes, administration papers, personnel files, archives, financial affairs, and research results will all be simply backed up. Reduce data loss while keeping everything safe. Reduce IT workloads and save time at work. It saves time to simplify the backup process and workloads with a single centralized control interface rather than backing up all machines individually. Furthermore, because the program is professional, backup and restore will take less time. Reduce data management costs. There is no need to purchase several license codes for all machines if you have a centralized backup solution. AOMEI Centralized Backupper can also suit all of your requirements. That is, your company will not pay for additional data security services. Effective centralized backup management. AOMEI Centralized Backupper is a powerful centralized backup software for enterprises and managed service providers. From a single central administration panel, you can manage and configure backup tasks for all machines on your LAN. Backup of the system. Backup the Windows system drive, PCs and servers, containing the operating system, apps, and custom settings. Backup of partitions. Choose the partitions to backup. It supports FAT16, FAT32, NTFS, REFS, Extension 2, Extension 3, exFAT, and other file systems. Backup disk. Allows you to backup your complete hard disk to secure everything on it, including the operating system, apps, data, and so on. Backup/sync of files. Backup or synchronize your important files and folders automatically. You may also filter the files as needed. Backup of SQL Server. Backup MS SQL Server databases on any machine with a network connection. It enables you to schedule full/differential backups. Rapid restore. Once backed up, you may restore from the centralized backup management panel at any time, resulting in minimal downtime. Concerned about backup issues? Backup images inadvertently corrupted? Don't worry, the Examine Image functionality will check the data integrity of all backup image files to guarantee that the data is intact. Is the backup time too long? Backups are speedy, especially when utilizing incremental or differential backup, which allows you to backup modified data since the last backup process. This can save a lot of time and space while backing up. Backups take up a lot of space? It's a simple fix. AOMEI Centralized Backupper has a space management technique that automatically deletes outdated backups, as well as high data compression to produce smaller pictures. All of the preceding will reduce the amount of storage required. Do you still backup manually every time? Are you annoyed by the recurring backup procedure, or have you lost the most recent data because you forgot to perform the task? Schedule backups for all jobs to run at a certain time or on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Can't get the backup status right away? You may want to be alerted about the outcomes of backup strategies during unattended activities. Email notification may be used to send an execution result report to an email address you provide. Do you still backup manually every time? Are you annoyed by the recurring backup procedure, or have you lost the most recent data because you forgot to perform the task? Schedule backups for all jobs to run at a certain time or on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Can't get the backup status right away? You may want to be alerted about the outcomes of backup strategies during unattended activities. Email notification may be used to send an execution result report to an email address you provide. Are you concerned about unauthorized access? In fact, you may encrypt backup images for further protection. Furthermore, if the managed computers do not have your approval, they will be unable to manage the backup operation.